Hey guys, today I've been working on something a little bit. I've always been a bit of an herbalist, so trying out different herbs would be kind of hard for somebody without buying something from like a head shop or something, like going to a glass shop and actually buying a pipe or something, which you might feel a little weird about doing that. I don't know about you guys, but I found out how to make caution kind of not really unsafe, but it's completely free. They warn against using one material that I'm using in this, which is aluminum foil. However, I haven't had any bad effects with it. And it's completely cheap. All you need is two items. Well, maybe three. Two things to make this. You're going to need a pill bottle. And you're going to need aluminum foil. What you want to do is you want to stick the aluminum foil onto your pill bottle and kind of make a divot in it like that. And then once it's in there, you're going to poke holes. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's holes in the bottom of it. You can do that with a thumbtack. That's the only third item you might possibly need is a thumbtack or something. Then once you do that, I forgot to mention you guys might need a screwdriver. But anyways, you just put a hole right at the bottom, or you can put it at the side if you need to. What you would do is you hold it like this, right up here, and breathe into this hole. Now I'm trying to get fancy with it and put a speed hole on here somewhere. It's called a carburetor. But yeah, that's basically how this works. Is you'd light it up there and you'd breathe in through here. I just tested it; it does work. Tried it with a different one actually, but this time I'm using a different one, so I can try to kind of amp it up a little bit with that speed hole. So yeah, that's pretty much all you really need to do is take the screwdriver and poke a hole at the very bottom, which is pretty easy to do with a good enough screwdriver. Then for the speed hole, if you got an update on that, I'm trying to put one like right up here. That's about it. I put this out there just because I know people might need it. So, like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a great day.